Autodesk Civil 3D is a comprehensive, detailed design and documentation software for civil infrastructure. Autodesk Civil 3D software combines the 2D and 3D design and publishing functionality of AutoCAD with modeling and analysis tools for GIS mapping and civil engineering disciplines. The MDT Civil 3D State Kit is a collection of MDT-specific CAD content files, MDT CAD standards and settings, plus MDT and third-party custom tools that enhance the functionality of Civil 3D and MDT CAD workflows. The State Kit allows designs and deliverables to be created with Civil 3D that follow MDT standard practices. The State Kit development process takes place in a continuous development cycle by a dedicated team of MDT ESS personnel, MDT workgroup subject matter experts, and consultant technical experts. State Kit development has some simple goals: to be user-friendly, to be single source, to have accessible standards, and to continuously improve the user experience. The State Kit is designed to be user-friendly. No special user rights, machine privileges, or IT intervention is required to use or update the State Kit. Custom one-touch tools are built in, such as tools for maintaining healthy DWG files and tools for updating MDT CAD standards content. The State Kit components are designed to be single source. Each component and style has only one source, eliminating duplicate changes being required during updates, making the State Kit easy to maintain. Content is grouped into component drawings and reference templates, making the State Kit easy to alter and configure. Having a single source of truth lessens the need to guess which component or style to use, and the individual files serve as a standards verification method, reducing the need for extensive CAD standards documentation. The State Kit aims to have easily accessible standards content. MDT CAD standards content is organized under one directory, eliminating the need to hunt down items in obscure locations. Specific drawing content is conveniently available in the user interface through the use of custom MDT ribbon tabs and custom MDT tool palette. MDT State Kit team members examine MDT processes to create content and tools that improve MDT Civil 3D workflows. Feedback from both MDT internal users and external consultant users is welcome and appreciated, and can be submitted through a CAD support request. Comments, requests, and suggestions are discussed at regularly scheduled State Kit team meetings. The State Kit is installed and updated via the MDT State Kit Updater application. The application is used for initial installation of the State Kit and for installing updates as they are released. Consultants and external users can download the MDT State Kit Updater installation package from the MDT website. Windows Administrator account rights are required to install the updater, but once installed, State Kit updates can be applied by a standard user. MDT internal users do not need to download the installer. The MDT State Kit Updater application is already installed on MDT machines with Civil 3D. After updater installation, the updater application can be accessed from the MDT State Kit Updater desktop shortcut. The updater application displays the installed versions of Civil 3D for which there is an MDT State Kit available, the MDT recommended Civil 3D update release on which to install the State Kit, the most recent State Kit version available, and the currently installed State Kit version if installed. If an update is available, it will be automatically highlighted for installation in the list. Click Install to update. The State Kit Updater is designed to overwrite and replace State Kit files and settings from each previous update. This is done to provide consistency of operation, ensure full functionality, and to enforce CAD standards. Any user changes that are made to the State Kit files or Civil 3D settings will be lost during an update. For this reason, editing or altering State Kit files is not recommended. There is a user directory for custom user files that is not overwritten during an update. To ensure full State Kit functionality, profile settings are reset during every update. There are technical limitations preventing the ability to save all user profile settings between updates, but the state kit will be configured in future builds to allow users to save and restore some specific settings that do not affect state kit functionality. To be notified of updates outside of the Updater app, subscribe to the CAD Info mailing list through the link provided. After installing or updating the state kit, to access the state kit content and functionality, a user must start Civil 3D by using the Civil 3D Montana desktop shortcut. Starting Civil 3D using any other method will not load the full state kit functionality. Launching Civil 3D with the Civil 3D Montana desktop shortcut will start Civil 3D in the MDT profile. Starting Civil 3D in the MDT profile will set specific file paths and settings needed for the state kit to function. When the MDT profile is set current by using the Civil 3D Montana desktop shortcut, it will trigger additional custom functionality when a drawing opens. There are 4 areas where the state kit modifies the standard out-of-the-box user interface. The Start tab is active, the application window has a tool palette docked, MDT custom ribbon tabs are loaded, and MDT custom tool palettes are loaded. Civil 3D with the state kit opens to the AutoCAD Start tab by default. Here a user can browse recent files, open a drawing, or start a new drawing. Files can be opened from local, network, or cloud locations. The new drawing drop-down list is pre-populated with the default MDT Start templates. The application window opens to the standard out-of-the-box Civil 3D workspace with the following differences. An MDT tool palette is open and docked to the right side of the window, and additional MDT ribbon tabs are added to the far right of the ribbon. Custom MDT ribbon tabs are loaded with the state kit. These ribbon tabs contain MDT developed tools, other third-party tools, and MDT commands for accessing CAD standards content and state kit functionality. The state kit makes use of custom tool palettes to access some MDT CAD content. The tool palettes are divided into common groups. Palette groups and individual palettes can be accessed from buttons and menus on the MDT ribbon tabs. These palettes are locked to ensure functionality and to enforce CAD standards. A number of MDT and third-party custom tools are included in the state kit. For more information on function and use, please visit the MDT Engineering Apps and Resources webpage. All state kit CAD standards file content is stored on the local machine. Wherever possible, AutoCAD and Civil 3D standards and settings files are moved from the default Autodesk locations to a folder structure inside a single directory in the user's C drive MDOH folder, making the content easy to find. The state kit is also configured so that the content is available through Civil 3D presets and/or custom MDT commands, making CAD standards application in most cases transparent and automatic for the user. The state kit uses a modular approach, and the files are grouped and stored with like items. The main types of components are drawing DWG files, template DWT files, settings and support files, miscellaneous tools, and the user folder. DWG drawing files are used to store custom MDT assemblies, the MDT block libraries, and MDT standards components such as annotation styles, line type styles, layer properties, and more. The state kit uses DWT template files for many purposes. There are start templates, which are used to start a drawing. The start templates use reference templates that hold the actual styles and settings that are used by the start templates. These reference templates are constructed in a modular way so they can be easily updated with new or edited content, and then funnel the changes up into the start templates or existing project drawings. DWT template files are also used to store preset MDT sheet layouts. There are custom tools to insert these layouts into drawings. Settings and support files include the MDT pipe network catalog, MDT survey database files, MDT subassembly files, MDT plotting publishing standards, MDT AutoCAD support files, and more. Profile settings, template settings, and custom commands are set up to allow easy access to this content. The state kit includes various tools and files that complement Civil 3D, but aren't necessarily components or settings files. Some examples of these files are layer translator files, Project Explorer templates, action recordings, Excel files, and Windows batch files. A user files area is provided in the state kit for personal files and settings storage. These directories are stored in the state kit but separate, so they are not deleted or replaced when the state kit is updated. A user is free to create and store any files in this area. A set of user tool palettes is also provided that are not locked and completely editable. Users can add their own content or create additional palettes. The state kit is verified to work on internal MDT workstations and MDT internal networks. The customizations are also verified to work with a standard out-of-the-box Civil 3D installation. Every effort is made to make the state kit compatible with any Civil 3D configuration, but if there are conflicts between the state kit customizations and your Civil 3D configuration, please contact MDT Engineering Systems for guidance or assistance by submitting a support request. Internal users can submit a support request through the MDT Service Desk. External users can submit a support request from the MDT Engineering Apps and Resources webpage. The Engineering Applications and Resources Library also provides access to a variety of AutoCAD and Civil 3D publications. Additional MDT State Kit and MDT Autodesk information can be found at the MDT Engineering Apps and Resources webpage.